Have you ever had a moment where you're doing something you've done probably thousands of times and you have this light bulb that, hey, there's an easier way to do this? I just had that the other day with my die cutting. I came up with a way to do die cutting in a different way so that I end up with two pieces instead of one. I save a little time, I save a little paper. Let me share it with you. This is the card I was making. I was creating this die cut right here in the background, this vellum piece, and I had this light bulb. Here is what it is. Typically, when I do my die cutting, I would imagine I'm not alone. I'm sure some of you have figured this out faster than me, but I'm kind of slow sometimes. So normally when I do my die cutting, I put my die as close to the edge of the paper as possible to save paper, right? I don't want to die cut it down here in the middle and have all these scraps left over. So I die cut it up here, and I thought, well, why don't I take this piece and die cut it directly from the center? Then I get the piece that I'm trying to create right here, my rectangle, but I have a leftover piece I can use on another project. So here's an example. I created this really simple card using the leftover piece, the frame that is left over from the die cut piece that I cut out. I thought this was really cute. These frames are so easy. You can put lots of things in the background. You could just stamp a greeting in the background, or you can do some kind of image like this. And you don't have to center it exactly. I thought about putting it off center. These would be really fun to do them in other places as well, but wherever you put it, just try to keep it straight. If you want it to be straight, I guess it could even be offset, right? Could be it tilted a little sideways. But when you're doing your die cutting, especially with your basic shapes, if you plan your pieces this way, not only do you get that piece you wanted to create for your project, you also have a leftover you can use on another card. Hope this tip helps you. If you love tips and tricks, check out my playlist on my channel. Go to my YouTube channel, click on scrapping, stamping stuff down there below the video right here. And when you get to my channel, scroll down near the top, you'll see my tips and tricks playlist. They are some of my most popular videos, and hopefully you could learn a thing or two from them. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a blessed day, and I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.